ZBAO stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer everything around that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Zhibao Technology, bro, this is Zhibao down. This is about to go down. I've done 41,000 videos over 5 years. You know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with Zhibao. I'm not even just trying to be a retard here, but like, it's just the truth. It's just a bearish market for me. Yes, I have like a previous receipt or two in the Discord about it, but nothing other than saying just that I'm not willing to trade this. I get some people might be like entered into this like as like a lottery ticket or whatever. Now please, you want to do fundamental analysis, but just looking at this current price action, unless there's a big catalyst, I'm not looking to buy. Like, that's all. Like, unless there's some big catalyst news, whatever, it's just a bearish market. Like, I'm not even willing to sell, because what the hell is this? So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.